Section 8, the verdict which reigns supreme. So, which method is more crucial for strength forging or heat treatment? The answer, as with many engineering dilemmas, is it depends. Forging generally results in a greater increase in strength. It improves the material's integrity and refines the grain structure. However, heat treatment offers a wider range of property modifications. It can be tailored to achieve a specific balance of hardness, toughness, and other properties. Ultimately, the best approach depends on the specific application and desired properties. In some cases, forging alone may be sufficient. In other cases, heat treatment may be the preferred method. Often, a combination of both methods yields the optimal outcome. Both forging and heat treatment are essential processes in the metal industry.